the right room for an argument?
I've told you once.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I have.
No, you haven't.
Yes, I did.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I
You
did.
didn't.
I did.
You didn't.
I'm telling you I did.
You didn't.
Oh, I'm sorry. Is this a 5-minute argument or the full half hour?
Just the 5 minutes. Oh, and a
Just
second.
the 5 minutes? Thank you. Anyway, I did.
You didn't.
I most certainly did.
No, you didn't.
Let's get one thing perfectly clear. I definitely told you.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I
You
did.
didn't.
I
You
did.
didn't.
Oh, yes, I did.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
Oh, no, you didn't.
Oh, 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 yes, I did.
No, you didn't.
Oh, yes, I did.
Oh, no, you didn't.
Oh, yes, I did.
Oh, no, you didn't.
Oh, yes, I did.
Oh, no, you didn't.
Oh, yes, I did.
You didn't.
Oh, yes, I
No,
did.
you didn't.
I did.
No, you didn't.
Oh, yes, I did.
Look, this isn't an argument.
Yes, it is.
No, it isn't. It's just contradiction.
No, it isn't.
Yes, it is.
It is not.
You just contradicted me right then.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did. You did just then.
Nonsense.
This is futile.
No, it isn't.
Yes, it is. I came here for a good argument.
Ah. No, you didn't. You came here for an argument.
An argument isn't just a contradiction.
Well, it can be.
An argument is a connected series of statements intended to establish a proposition.
No, it isn't.
Yes, it is. It isn't just contradiction.
Look, if I argue with you, I must take up a contrary position.
Yes, but that isn't just saying no, it isn't.
Yes, it is.
No, it isn't.
Yes, it is.
No, it isn't.
Yes, it is.
No, it isn't. Argument is an intellectual process. Contradiction is just the automatic gainsaying of anything the other person says.
It is not.
It is.
Not at all. I'm sorry, I'm not allowed to argue anymore.
What?
If you want me to go on arguing, you'll need to pay for another 5 minutes.
But that wasn't 5 minutes. Oh, come on! This is ridiculous.
I told you. I told you. I'm not allowed to argue unless you pay.
All right.
Thank you.
There you are.
Thank you.
Well,
Well, what?
that was never 5 minutes just now.
I just told you. I'm not allowed to argue unless you pay.
But I just paid!
You didn't.
Yes, I did!
No, you didn't.
I did!
You didn't.
I did!
You didn't.
I did!
You didn't.
I don't want to argue about it.
Well, I'm very sorry, but you didn't pay.
Aha! If I didn't pay, why are you arguing? Aha. Gotcha.
No, you haven't.
Yes, I have. If you're arguing, I must have paid.
Not necessarily. I could be arguing in my own spare time.
Oh, I've had enough of this.
No, you haven't.